Hello everybody, Earl Musick here, United Country Real Estate in North Central Idaho, and I found you a unicorn. This is June of 2022, and I have a property priced at $50,000. You heard me right, it's 50 grand, and it's not even a terrible property. It has Ponderosa pines on it. There's a slight slope. You can build anywhere on it. It's just under 4 acres, has southern exposure. Great little property at the end of the road at a cul-de-sac. Call me right away, because you know darn good and well that this is not going to be on the market long. Also, a little thing that a lot of people don't know, if you want, you can give me a call, and please remember this, I'm always willing to come up and show you one of my listings. But if you prefer to come up here by yourself, I have an interactive mapping system you can download onto your smartphone. It is GPS enabled. You'll know exactly where you're at standing on the property. I have photo points all over it. We even have directions to get into the property. So if that interests you all, please call me. I'd be happy to send that information to you so you can come up and tour it yourself. But always remember, I would love to come up, meet you, and show you the property myself.